Indian Roti House on Queens Quay West, Harbourfront neighborhood. I've been here many times, but have never really done a food review. So I just got something light. This is the Kathi roll, and inside here is the chicken. Okay, so it's very hot. They make it on the spot. They don't have it sitting around or anything. Okay, so this is how it looks. See how it tastes. I got mild. You can get it really spicy if you want. So there's some onion. Let's see. Very good. Just waiting for it to be spicy, but there's a little kick. It's good. Very, very tasty. So, chicken here. Nice tender chicken. Take your bite. Very good. Okay, so come on down to Harbourfront in Toronto on Queens Quay. Indian Roti House. So come on down to Indian Roti House on Queens Quay, Harbourfront. Take your bite.